let's just focus on evolution. So in this concept, in the early 1800s, a peppered moth appeared that were living in England, rested on tree trunks. So that lichens, the moth were also whitish in color, so at initial stage, and so the matched color of background on which they are rested. So this made the moths less visible of their prey on them. So in the late 1840s, after some time, an increasing number of very dark moths began to appear in moth population near the city areas where the pollutions had killed most of the lichens. So that's why tree trunks were black and sooty in color. So over the past 100 years till 1840s, the frequency of dark moths has increased up to 98% in their population near polluted cities. So which type of selection that has been operated on moths numbers in polluted areas, that we have to find out. Directional selection, stabilizing one, disruptive, and sexual selection. So among these, let's just focus on early 1800s. That peppered moth at initial stage, which basically live on tree trunks, they were white in color, and due to this whitish color, these are less visible for their predators. So means at that time number of white moths are higher, but black moths also present, but number was less. At the time of 1840s, dark moths is higher than white moths due to the killing of their food source, that were lichens. So the truncated trees getting black, and up to today for the last 100 years, the population of these dark moths is 98%. So only 2% are white colored, right? So if we just focus on at initial stage, both the colors present, but black color moth numbers were less and white were dominant at that time. Now due to some driving force, here driving force is food source, loss of food, because they were totally dependent on lichens. Killing of lichens leads to increase in black moth color and decrease in white color. So after 100 years, the at 1840s graph was look like that, where black color was predominant, and after 100 years 98% are in black in color. So number increase, but color doesn't change. Only black colors are predominant still today from the 1840s, right? So that figure shows a kind of stabilizing selection. If you remember the concept of natural selection and types of natural selection, so that matches option B, that is stabilizing one. So I hope you will understand kind of questions, and if my videos are helpful to you, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.